Hey guys, how's it going? Well, in this video I want to talk to you about a nifty little tool that will allow you to track all your investments, and not only that, also the price of those tokens and coins you have invested in. So let's say, for example, that you want to be notified every time one of those tokens you have invested in, even if that's a shitcoin, when the price changes 5%. Well, this tool will allow you to do just that. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to install an app called Telegram. That one is available not only on Android but also in iOS and also for Windows. I'm not sure if it's available on Mac, but you can also access it via the web. So if you haven't done that, then go ahead and do that. So what is Telegram? It's a messaging app, and if you are in the crypto space, this is a crucial app because I would say 90% of the projects that are in the crypto space will have a Telegram channel, and those will allow you to be informed of what is going on with that project, protocol, or token. So let's say you have invested in 1inch or in PancakeSwap. Actually, PancakeSwap is a good example because last week they migrated all the liquidity pools from version 1 to version 2. So if you hadn't been checking their website, or if you haven't been on their Telegram channel, you would have missed a lot of interest on your tokens. So that's one really summarized version of what Telegram is. So now let's go to the browser and see what this token is called and how it works. So let's switch to the browser. So this is the web version of Telegram. And as you can see in the left side, I have access to different channels. This is the Pancake Bunny channel, and you will see a lot of non-interesting messages. Same thing for PancakeSwap. ICO drops if you want to participate in initial coin offerings. And many more. I was fortunate enough to get into the ICO of Clover. So I want to know what's going on with that token, even though they have not been listed yet. So this is the useful thing about Telegram channels. Now, the tool I'm talking about is called EtherDrops. And the way you access it, if you go to the search box, you just type EtherDrops tracking bot. And of course, it's going to show this because this is where it is, right? And they have 3 bots. If you find that the first one, this one it's too slow, you can go and click on 2 or 3. But I'm using 1. It's been working fine for me. And the way you use it is we go down here where you will find a menu. If you don't see the menu, you just click on the 4 little squares here, and then you'll see the menu. So what we're going to do now, let's call this a little tutorial. We're going to add a coin. So we're going to click on add, the plus sign, and it's going to ask us, what do you want to add, a coin, a wallet, or a pool? So if you want to track your wallet, let's say you are scared that someone is going to be hacking your wallet and taking money off of it, you can enter your wallet address and it will tell you whatever happens to that wallet. So be that a transfer in, transfer out, whatever happens, you will be notified. But right now what we're going to be doing is adding a coin, and we're going to be adding a shitcoin. So it asks us what is the ticker of that coin. So we're going to type Fox Finance. And it's going to ask us, well, I see 2 Fox Finance tokens. Which one of these it is? And the one we discussed recently is called Fox. Well, both are Fox Finance, but it's the one starting with a 1. So I will go ahead and click or tap on 1. If you actually type 1 in your browser with your keyboard, it won't let you go through. So let's tap on number 1, and it asks us which source of information would you rather have, a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange like Binance. In the case of shitcoins, guys, most of them are not listed on centralized exchanges. So what we're going to do is tap on decentralized exchanges. In this case, Fox Finance is on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's why it says DEX BEP20, because BEP20 is the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And then it asks us, well, it tells us currently the price of Fox is $3.45 and a lot of zeros before that. Yesterday it was at $3.04, so it has now increased about 12%. But anyway, I want to be notified every time the token changes 5% up or down from the current price. So I'm going to tap on default 5. And then if I want to know every time there's a swap between Fox and some other token, do I want to be notified of that? And yes, you want to do this for shit tokens, guys. And especially when they're new shit tokens, you don't want to use the default $100,000 because $1,000 could change the price of the token radically. It tells us the minimum is $1,000. So now I'm going to type 1000, which is exactly $1,000. Don't tap on default unless you are tracking a bigger token. So there we go. It's going to tell us every time someone buys or sells Fox for $1,000 or more. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. The next time someone trades that, it's going to tell us. And as I was saying, you can actually add your wallet. What else does this tool tells us? It's, if you can click on gas or tap on gas, it tells you for Ethereum what are the current gas prices. And we discussed recently Ethereum drove their gas prices down, and we can see that here. The low fee is 39 Gwei, and that's pretty low. It tells you it's going to take more than 10 minutes to do the transfer if you go that route. Well, that's handy information. Funding, it's going to tell you the funding rates for different tokens. That's not of interest right now. And you can actually tap on coins, and it will show you those tokens that you have asked this app to track. It's going to tell you how they're doing right now. So I have this 4 right now: bunny, cake, fox, and nuts. So every time, you don't have to wait until things move 5% up or down or whatever percentage change you asked it to notify. You can actually go and just tap on coins, and it will tell you how everything is going on right now. So the cool thing about this, guys, is you don't have to log in or connect your wallet to different websites and even maybe go to your computer. This is really fast, really handy, and it's a way, I told you in my last video, I check my investments 4 or 5 times per day. And this is in addition to that. I want to make sure that the project I have invested in still exists. But this will notify you every time the price. So let's say you invested in Fox. And so we actually did that a few days ago. If you had been using this tool, you would have been notified that Fox was going down or up, and then it will help you to make the right decision. Should I sell or should I not sell? Or even should I buy a dip? So this is what I use it for. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, but if my mom was asking me, how can I track my investments? I would tell her, just install Telegram and configure this little nifty tool, and it will tell you exactly what you want to know. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to this channel if you are interested in learning how to properly invest during the bull trends and the downtrends. See you next time. Bye-bye.